Hello there, welcome to my channel. Now I want to quickly show you, it's going to be a quick video, right? And a short one, how you can sell health products using Facebook ads. First, I am going to make a disclaimer here. These ways that I'm going to show you, there are three ways, right? The three ways works very well. In fact, it works all the time. But this does not guarantee that your ad account will not get banned. All right. It will work for you to an extent until your ad account gets banned if you don't do what you should do. And I'm going to explain everything and show you everything right here in this video. All right. But the only thing I can tell you is that these three strategies I'm going to show you, the three of them works perfectly, but it does not guarantee that your other account does not get banned, right? I know many of you have been asking me how you can sell health products because of Facebook advertising policy and because of restrictions and so many of those issues that keep coming up when you try to sell on Facebook. Yes, those issues would always be there, but there are ways people sell health products. There are ways that we have sold numerous countless numbers of health products and we keep selling these products because we deploy certain strategies which I'm going to explain to you in this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, right? Just like the video so that more people get to see it. And if you are new to my channel and you'd like to see more content like this one, please consider subscribing and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post videos. Without wasting time, let's get started. So yes, like I said, with the methods outlined in this video, you'll be able to sell health products using Facebook adverts anytime, anywhere, right? But there's no guarantee that your ad account will not get banned. Okay, so the first one is what? The use of influencers, right? This one is super effective. It's a super effective way to sell health products, especially on Instagram. Okay, but the downside is that it is expensive. We know how much we pay these skit makers to make skits. Now, this kit does not look like an advert. All right. When you use influencers, it doesn't look like an advert. But of course, people know that they are promoting something. People know it's an advert, but it comes organically. It looks organic. So once they create this video and then you post it they post on their own Instagram profile, you post it on your own also, after some time, what you will now do is that you take that particular video because these videos are entertaining, it's fun, people watch it and laugh, and they catch crews. It doesn't look like an advert. And then most times they use pigeon and stuff, so it's difficult for Facebook AI to be able to pick it, understand that what you're selling is a health product. So you use this very video, you bring it to Facebook, and you use it to create an advert. All right. Now, I need to tell you this. Don't use someone else's video, like a video another person has paid an influencer for. Don't go and take it and run your advert. You might get arrested because you do not have any right to use their video. You can only use it when you are the one who paid them to create that content. So once they have created that content and posted on Instagram and you have made some sales on Instagram, you can now use that particular video, bring it to Facebook, and create your advert on Facebook. And make sure that because you're selling a health product, you should spend money on adverts. You need to spend money on adverts because so that before Facebook ban your ad account, you must have made a lot of sales. You must have cashed out to an extent so that when they ban you, they're already in money. So you move on to the next ad account. Okay, so use of influencers works because the video looks organic, the video looks genuine, it looks real, it doesn't look like an advert. So the video is entertaining. It is going to get a lot of views for you and a lot of different reactions. And at the same time, it is going to bring you sales. Okay, but then when you're using such video, you can simply just put your phone number on the advert so that people can just call you straight to the phone number instead of sending people to a sales page, right? Instead of sending people to a sales page, once you're using that video to run ad in your creative, simply put a phone number. You don't need to type much things. Just let them know what it's about. Use pigeon if you want so that you can confuse the AI, the algorithm, right? And then put your phone number there. Make sure that number is also a WhatsApp number. Just put it there. Simple. All right. You put it there simple. Your advert can be a video views ad. Then put that phone number. You'll be shocked at the number of people who are going to call you. Let's go to the next one. Use a bridge page with a checkbox. All right. Now, before Facebook will get to your sales page, you will know they cannot, they use their bots. The Facebook uses a bot to check your sales page and be sure that it complies with the policy. Now, what you're going to do is that you're going to use a bridge page. Okay, you use a bridge page and put a checkbox there. Now, nobody can see your sales page until they check the box and submit. The Facebook AI or the bot has not been that smart enough to check box and submit and go to the next page. All right. So once they come to that page where they need to check box, they don't see anything there. Then you are safe for the meantime, because sometimes Facebook also does manual checking. They do what we call manual review, but that one is not often. It's not always. It is the bot or the AI that does the bulk of the job. So what you do is that this is your advert, this is your bridge page, this is your landing page. So this is your sales page. So the bridge page is what is shielding your sales page from Facebook. So when people see your advert and they click on the advert, they will not come straight to your sales page. No, they will first of all land at the bridge page where you tell them, hi, welcome to Ekweme and Sons, whatever, to visit the product, to get the product, check this box and click on submit. Let me show you what I mean here. This is a checkbox, an example. So if someone now visits this page, they will have to check the box here. They will have to check, like this one now is checked. You can see that this progressive web apps is checked. So once they check it, it will now tick good. Once they check it, they click on submit. So you have to put like up to 3 different boxes and tell them the exact one to check. This is where you confuse the Facebook bot. Facebook bot does not know the one to check, and it does not even read. It does not check any box and submit. It has not been programmed to be that smart. But of course, sometimes you should know that you cannot outsmart the system. No matter how smart you are, to get to a point, you'll be flagged, definitely. But before you are flagged, at least you should have cashed out, should have made some good money, and then you move to another account. So yes, always use a bridge page. You can use a bridge page with a checkbox, so that whoever is coming to your sales page will, first of all, from Facebook ad, they'll come to the bridge page, they will check it, they will submit before they get to the sales page. Yeah, so this is the second way via which you can sell a health product without imminent problem, because the problem will definitely come. You will definitely get banned. Whether you can't outsmart the system, you get banned. But before you get banned, you must have cashed out, which is why you are here, to make money. Let's go to the next one. Bam. This one. Use WhatsApp groups with short span ads. All right. This method works. It works too, but it is time consuming because people are in your WhatsApp group already. So what we do with this method is that, first of all, we create a sales page. All right. After we created a sales page, normal sales page, sharp one with all the information and details, we now create different WhatsApp groups for the health products we're selling, different WhatsApp, up to 5 WhatsApp groups. Now, these WhatsApp groups, we don't name them anything related to health. We don't name them anything related to man, to woman. We don't name them. We can just name them friends or good life. That kind of thing. Just casual name that does not imply anything, name that will not make Facebook raise an eyebrow, right? Then you now run a traffic ad using the group link. You now copy that WhatsApp group link and use it in form as your website, as the website URL. So when you now create a traffic ad, in that place where you put website URL, you put the WhatsApp group link. Okay? Now, I said it is a short span ad. This means that in that very ad, the advert is going to run for maybe 1 or 2 days. In that 2 days, you must have filled the 5 groups. How do you do this? You spend money on adverts. This one you're spending 2,000, 3,000. No, you can spend 10K a day on adverts to fill up 5 groups or more than 5 groups. So once each group is filled, I think one group takes about 265 people thereabout, or 255 or so. Once each group is filled, you go back to the ad, you edit, you put the link to the other group in that advert because the first group is filled. You keep doing it until you fill the 5 or the 10 or as many groups as you want. Once you have done that, you go and post the advert. This means that you have disconnected your WhatsApp group from the advert so that Facebook cannot track you to the WhatsApp, because they can also block you on WhatsApp if you're not careful. So now, once you have filled the groups, you now go and post the ad, thereby disconnecting the advert from WhatsApp, right? Then you drop the link to your sales page on those groups, so that people can from that group and go to your sales page and purchase. It's why I said it's time consuming. It is work, because you have to monitor the adverts. Then people are also, once they come to the group, they will be sending you messages, because some people are not patient. They want to immediately get the product and start using it. So those ones, now you have to be attending to them also. It's time consuming. You attend to them also. You send them the link individually when they send you a DM, because many of them will send you a DM. I'm telling you from experience. This is what I have done. This is a strategy I've used, right? I'm telling you from experience. So when you do this, you will see that selling health products is not always that difficult. It's just that it is against the policy. So if you want to be on the safe side, you just avoid selling health products and sell other products and still make money. But there's a lot of money to be made in health products. And these 3 ways I've taught you now are the ways that you can sell health products, make good profit, and enjoy. Always remember to cut off the advert from your WhatsApp after you have filled up the groups. And if you're using the second option, always remember to use a bridge page with a checkbox. Okay? All right. I think that's the video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like this video. And if you have any question, of course, I'm always in the comment section to have a nice time with you. So ask a question in the comment section, drop your comments. I will respond to you. Share this video with as many people you know who find it helpful. As always, I appreciate you sticking around in this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you implement if you sell health products in e-commerce, and please like so that more people get to see this video. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.